Hello everyone. So now we are going to move to the GUI version of Shodan. For those who did not like using the CLI version, can do exactly all the steps from the website itself. Everything is available in the GUI format as well. The main interface of Shodan looks something like this, which have been shown into the presentation over here. So once you go onto the particular website, you can search for a specific query. As you can see over here, I have searched for a webcam, and you can see I have got the results which are 7854, which are distributed over these particular regions. You can simply download all the results into any file format that you like. The options that are given is JSON, CSV or XML. So you can just save the output in any file format which is more preferable for you. I like saving the output in a CSV because that is much more easy and comparatively more, the filtering is comparatively more better. That's why I like saving the output in CSV, where I can just go back and do a Control F and search for that particular software or that particular server's IP. Also, I can run sort and other filters into the Excel software. All right, so it is the practical time, and let's see how you can use this particular scans onto the web version. So for that, let's quickly go to the Shodan main website, as you can see over here. So here are the articles which you can read for what is Shodan, how to download data with API, understanding SSL by country. Shodan is also providing a filter cheat sheet wherein you can just use the filters and you will get specific outputs. For example, you can use the ORG filter, which is to filter the organization to find devices which belongs to specific organization. For example, if I want to search for Google, then I can just use the ORG Google filter, and whatever I want to search for, let's say I want to search for big IP servers, then I can just type ORG Google/big IP. Or I want to see the FTP open ports, then I can just search for FTP. You can search for specific port number as well. Let's say you want to search for a WebLogic, then you can just search for WebLogic ports, that is 8001. If you want to search for specific country, let's say country, city or state, you can also do that. If you want to search for a particular network range or IP in a CIDR notation, you can also do that as per your ease. All right, so if I go into this downloads button over here, you can see I have 99 credits available, and I can download the Shodan search results in the three major formats that we have already discussed. Now let's try to run a particular query. So let's say we search for this particular query, and this particular query is the http.favicon.hash, and this particular hash is for the big IPs servers favicon. 3992 is the content length of the particular response that we get. As you can see over here, I have found total 966 results based on this particular hash, and you can see the content length match is 3992 by default. So these are all the particular servers which are running on big IP. As you can read over here, big IP, this is in US, this one also in US, this one is in China. Okay. All right, so we have understood this. Now let's download this results. So I will just click on download results, and you can specify the number of results that you want to download. You can clearly read here, use export credits to download results at a rate of 1 export credit per 10,000 results. Okay, so let's say we want to download 10,000 results, then our 1 credit will go. You can choose whatever you want. They say XML is depreciated, so you cannot download into that particular format, but we can always choose JSON or CSV. So let's say I want to download in CSV. I will just click on CSV and click on export data. As you can see over here, now they are processing the particular report for me, and you can see my credit has also reduced by 1. Now, as the processing has been done successfully and my report is ready, they are going to email me that my data is ready to download, or I can just wait for some time. It won't take much time. And then as soon as it is green over here and it says download, I can use this particular downloaded data. I can filter that particular data, get all the particular domain names or the IP addresses, and start hunting on them as well. Alright, so I hope you guys understood how you can use the download feature onto the website, which will be very helpful. Thank you.